everyone, I'm Lauren. I have ADHD and this is I Know What I'm Doing. This is the channel where I indulge my urge to start new hobbies with little to no prior knowledge and the faith that I'll figure it out as I go. I'm not always safe, please don't do as I do. It's a short one today as I'm finishing up the cleaning of Verna. If you want to see me clean up her cabinet first, check out those videos here. You can also check out part 1 of this series here. If you enjoy watching this, please subscribe, check the description for links to my Ko-fi and Patreon accounts. New hobbies are expensive, so are good microphones and cameras, so your donations are greatly appreciated. At this point, I'm just giving the body one more good scrub down before I move on to the motor control pedal. You can see from here that that is a rusty mess waiting for some love. This has already been such a journey, and I still need to replace all the cords and touch up the paint in some areas. I'm struggling against my perfectionist streak here to accept that this is as good as I'm going to get her for now. So next, the pedal. This was not afforded the shelter that the main body of the machine had, so it's very weathered. Even still, sewing machine oil pulls the rust right up, along with a good bit of paint in this case, but I'm going to have to repaint this part anyway. This whole thing is just filthy. I'm using a Q-tip now to make sure I get everything between the traction bumps, but then my phone stopped recording, so let's jump forward in time to me repainting the pedal. This is Krylon Fusion All-in-One Paint Primer in Textured Black. That's the closest I could find to the original crinkle finish. And that's all for this week. I'll see you Friday when I start tackling the electrical components. If you have a hobby you think I should try, drop it in the comments along with any useful bits of advice or thoughts on the video. Love you!